While India is still struggling to fully crawl out of a deadly pandemic, one section of people was determined to reduce the disruption caused by the virus outbreak. 30-year-old Srinivasan from Bangalore is among India's millions of delivery workers who strive to ferry everything from sensitive documents to delicious food to ensure the items reach the recipients correctly and on time.
हम डांसर पे काम करता है। हम सुबह 9 बजे से सुबह 9 o'clock से रात 12 बजे 1 बजे तक करता है। इसलिए हम कम से कम एक दिन में 310 किलोमीटर जर्नी करता है। एक दिन में 310 280 से 310 every day.
As the nightlife is extending more than ever in India's urban and semi-urban centers, more delivery workers fill the nighttime routes. They are called at odd hours to deliver fresh and hot foods, from oven-baked pizzas to neatly packed French fries. But all is not well within the delivery community. They are among the most exploited communities, both socially and economically. The food delivery market is estimated to be worth $4.5 billion in 2020 and is forecast to grow manifold in the coming years. Yet, are the delivery workers happy with this radical growth?
बहुत बुरा है रेट में तो बहुत बुरा है। 1 किलोमीटर को 7 रुपये देता है। हाँ, अभी पेट्रोल देखा, पेट्रोल कितने पेट्रोल है? 110 रुपीज़ पेट्रोल है। हाँ, अभी किया है कितने का 7 किलोमीटर 8 किलोमीटर 6 किलोमीटर 6.7 किलोमीटर पिकअप डालता है। वहाँ पे जाएगा 400 मीटर रहेगा, तब ऑर्डर कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तब देगा कल 10 रुपये। कितने किलोमीटर हम 6.5 किलोमीटर जाएगा, 300 मीटर डिस्टेंस होगा अभी रीच होने के लिए, तब कैंसिल हो जाएगा ऑर्डर, तब हमारा डेंस होगा खाली 10 रुपये देगा। 4 किलोमीटर को 10 रुपये देता है क्या?
In the absence of credible legislations to specifically deal with gig workers like delivery men, the staff are left at the mercy of their employers. Companies like Zomato, Swiggy and Dunzo, which employ millions of such workers, say they are doing everything they can to support the workers. The delivery workers are under tremendous pressure both from the companies and customers. This often leads to rule-breaking activities like flouting traffic regulations or parking violations. And they have very little recourse to voice their protest or register their complaints.
सर हमारा प्रॉब्लम ऐसा है, पेट्रोल कट ज़्यादा होगा बोलते हो, ठीक है तुमको सस्पेंड करेगा, ऐसा बोलता है। डंजो में बोलेगा, स्विगी में भी बोलेगा, 120 में भी बोलेगा, एक ही में नहीं है, 120 में ऐसे ही बोलेगा।
As India's young population is ballooning, disposable incomes rise and the economy booms, at least one community is waiting for more friendly measures and the clock is ticking.